a single tectonic plate collision in Earth's history, created the Himalayan mountain range. This colossal collision is known as the Indian-Eurasian plate collision. Scientists believe it occurred over 50 million years ago. It's a geological event that forever changed the face of our planet. Imagine a force powerful enough to push the Earth's surface up by over 10 kilometers. That's roughly the height of Mount Everest. But that's not the strangest part. The Indian plate was moving at a rate of about 7 centimeters per year. A speed that's relatively fast in geological terms. It's like a massive slow-motion car crash. The Eurasian plate was already there, but it was being pushed out of the way. As the Indian plate continued its relentless march, the Eurasian plate buckled under the pressure. It's a process that took millions of years to unfold, but the end result was the creation of the Himalayan mountain range, a region that's home to some of the most impressive mountain peaks on Earth. But that's not the strangest part. The Himalayas are still growing today, at a rate of about 1 inch per year, a process that's driven by the continued movement of the Indian plate. It's a slow and steady process that shaped the Earth's surface over millions of years. The Indian plate is still moving northwards, and it's going to take millions more years to reach its final destination, a journey that will continue to reshape the Earth's surface in the process. And then something unexpected happened. The Himalayan mountain range started to experience extreme weather patterns. The unique combination of geography and climate led to the creation of some of the most extreme weather events on Earth. From blizzards to heat waves, the Himalayas experience it all. But what does this mean for us? The Himalayan mountain range is home to some of the most spectacular scenery on Earth. It's a region that's steeped in history and culture. From ancient trade routes to modern-day adventure tourism, the Himalayas have been shaped by human activity. But the impact of human activity on the Himalayas is a complex issue. On one hand, tourism brings in much-needed revenue and creates jobs. On the other hand, it puts a strain on the local environment and infrastructure. It's a delicate balance that's being constantly negotiated. The Himalayas are a symbol of the Earth's incredible geological history, a reminder of the power and majesty of the natural world. And as we look to the future, we must continue to respect and protect this incredible region. Want more mind-blowing facts about the Earth's history? Subscribe to our channel and join our journey of discovery. Let us know in the comments what fascinates you most about the Himalayas, from the sheer scale of the mountain range to the extreme weather patterns that occur there. There's always more to learn and explore, and that's why we're here, to share our passion for the Earth's history with you. So join us on this journey of discovery, and let's explore the wonders of the Earth's geological past together. And don't forget to like and comment below. We love hearing from you and learning from your perspectives. So what do you think about the Himalayan mountain range? Do you have a favorite spot or experience from your travels? Let us know in the comments. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to explore further, feel free to ask us in the comments. We're always here to help and share our knowledge with you. So subscribe now, and let's start exploring the wonders of the Earth's history together. From the Himalayas to the Grand Canyon, and from the Great Barrier Reef to the Amazon rainforest, there's so much to learn and discover about our incredible planet. And we're here to share it all with you. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and join our community of explorers and learners. Let's discover the wonders of the Earth's history together. Subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing facts about the Earth's history, and let's explore the wonders of our planet together.